Hi there, I'm Captain Jack Thompson, and today I want to share a quick story about a rough experience I had with a company called Prento Yacht. If you own a yacht, this is something you'll want to hear. So, my Fairline Squadron 50 has these Volvo Penta engines, normally super reliable, but earlier this year during a routine check I noticed a drop in power, some strange noises, definitely not normal. Diagnostics pointed to the turbochargers, and since turbos are no place for guesswork, I called in the so-called experts, Prento Yacht. At first they seemed great. They diagnosed the issue, promised a 2-week turnaround to clean and repair the turbos, and I thought, perfect, problem solved. But not so fast. 2 days later, they called to say they were having trouble sourcing parts. Okay, fine, it happens. But weeks went by with no updates. I kept calling, and when I finally got through, they admitted they hadn't even ordered the parts properly the first time. When the parts eventually arrived, I was hopeful. They pulled the turbos, supposedly cleaned and reconditioned them, and reinstalled everything. But as soon as I fired up the engines, same issues. Poor power, weird noises, nothing fixed. They kept tweaking things, but it was clear they didn't know what they were doing. At this point, I'd had enough. I brought in an independent marine engineer to check their work, and let's just say the results weren't pretty. The turbos weren't cleaned properly, they were reinstalled incorrectly, and they'd missed other problems entirely. When I confronted Prento Yacht, they refused to take responsibility. Finally, I turned to a certified Volvo Penta repair team. They fixed everything in no time. Cleaned, aligned, and fully functional. The difference was like night and day.
So here's the lesson. Always vet your service providers, check credentials, ask for second opinions, and don't settle for anything less than top-tier work. It could save you a lot of headaches and a whole sailing season.